Getty. Newcastle star Dwight Gale's place is under threat. Both teams are pointless after 2 games, and the newly promoted Magpies have still to score a league goal this season. And while the Hammers at least beat Cheltenham in the Carabao Cup in midweek, Newcastle's shock 3-2 defeat at the hands of Nottingham Forest means they have lost their opening 3 games for the first time since 1999. Gale scored 33 goals in Newcastle's championship-winning campaign, but Toon chief Rafa Benitez admits he's looked the shadow of last season's player. He's been substituted in both league games so far, having not looked like scoring in either. Benitez said he's had his ups and downs. He has to get back to the level we were expecting and the level he was last season. Newcastle suffered defeat away to Huddersfield today, but how did each individual perform? Newcastle United FC. Newcastle team averaged 5.78. He's had his ups and downs. Newcastle boss Rafa Benitez. Alexander Mitrovic scored against Forest, but it is £5 million signing from Stoke Joselu who is pushing Gale hard for a place this weekend. DeAndre Yedlin, Paul Dummett and Florian Lejeune are all still missing, which will force the Newcastle Bows to start with another makeshift backline. Benitez anticipated a hectic week in the transfer market but claims the departures of Manu Riviere and Siem de Jong to Metz and Ajax respectively does not necessarily guarantee his transfer budget will be increased. We're looking for solutions, he said. I expect to be quite busy and we're working on trying to bring in players. We're reducing the number of players we haven't continued to look for other options in the market. Benitez has never hidden the fact he's bitterly disappointed at the lack of backing he's received from owner Mike Ashley. As I've said, coming from the Championship to the Premier League, you have to change the players, he added. We were building a team to win promotion and we did it and got a profit. Now we have to ensure we improve the squad, and that makes you more busy than other teams already in the Premier League. Related articles.